In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send follow-up messages in Typeform. This process is incredibly useful for maintaining engagement and ensuring that your audience receives the information they need after completing your forms. Whether you're a seasoned Typeform user or just getting started, understanding how to set up follow-up messages can be a game changer for your form interactions. So, let's dive in and explore the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to navigate to Typeform's website. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in the web address for Typeform. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not, simply find the login button on the top right corner of the homepage. Now, enter your credentials and sign in. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password. There's always an option to reset it. After successfully logging in, you'll want to head over to your Typeform workspace. You can usually find this section on the dashboard once you're signed in. The workspace is your central hub for all your forms, making it much easier to keep track of everything. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be crucial for navigating through your forms and settings. The next step is to select the form you'd like to work with. Simply locate the form on your dashboard that you wish to add follow-up messages to. Once you've found the right form, click on it to open up its settings and configuration options. At this point, it's important to ensure that this is indeed the form where follow-up messages would be most beneficial. Now, when your form is open, look for the option labeled Workflow. This is where you can manage the automation and behavior of your form, including follow-up messages. If you're new to using this section, take a moment to explore some of the other functionalities it offers. But today, our focus will be specifically on follow-up messages. In the Workflow section, you should see an option to click on Messages. Here you can customize exactly what kind of message will be sent to your form's respondents after they submit their answers. This is your chance to get creative and add a personal touch. Think about what information or encouragement might be useful to them. Once you've crafted your message, ensure to save your settings. And that's it. You've successfully set up follow-up messages in Typeform. By implementing these follow-up messages, you're making sure that your respondents stay engaged and informed, enhancing their overall experience. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.